Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card you're making today. Isn't it cute? It's all very tonal, Night of Navy, and the base is very vanilla. So let me show you what I did. So put that aside, out of harm's way. I have a piece here, very vanilla, in the Stamparatus. And let me show you the stamp set. It's this one called, sorry about the glare, Sailing Home. And we're going to use quite a variety of images here. The boats, the lighthouse, and the saying as well. So I've got the first bit set up in my Stamparatus, the lighthouse. So I'm going to stamp this in Night of Navy ink. I'm going to really give this a good ink up. And give it a good press down. Like that. Lovely. Now, I'm going to clean up. I've just cleaned my simple chamois, so it should be cleaning up nicely now. So get rid of that stamp, and I just store all my stamps on top of the cases like this until I've finished with everything, and then I can put them all away. So I've got my sentiment here that says, "Let's hope be the anchor through the storm of your life." And actually I'm not going to stamp that yet, because I don't want it to be smushed. What I'm going to do is take this out of my Stamparatus for now, put the mat back, and put the Stamparatus away. And we are going to do a little bit of other stamping, but we're going to do stamp off, so I'm going to be using my block instead. Now I've got this nice big stamp of a ship, getting it properly inked up, and then let's see where I want this one to go. I'm going to stamp off first like that, and then I think I'm going to have it down here somewhere, and then I'm going to stamp. It just gives a much lighter impression, which is really nice. Now I need the block again, so give this a good clean. Makes such a difference when you've cleaned your simple chamois, I tell you. So just leave that to the side there. Then I'm going to use the smaller boat, stamp off again, and see where I want this one. I think I'm going to have one here. Stamp off. And let's see. I think we want one somewhere here in the gap. Like that. Okay, sort of three. I like to do things in threes. I find it aesthetically pleasing. So just giving this a bit of a clean up, like that. Okay, I'm going to close this up for a while. I'm going to bring in, I have here a tub of old sponges, and I'm going to use one of them. You could use your blending tools or the sponge dauber. But for this I'm just going to use what I have, and this is my sponge, and I'm just going to sponge very gently just around the bottom here. So it just looks like the sea. And you can see if you mess about with it, you can get different textures in the sea. Like that. And I'm not too concerned here where it's gone through, because this is see-through here anyway. It's meant to be sea, meant to be seeing the ocean behind that. Okay, so something like that. And then I'm going to do the same for the sky. But as you can see, I'm getting rid of a lot of the ink. So I just have very much the impression of some colour up there. Okay, and that's all I'm going to do sponge wise. Very light sponging. And then, let's see, do I trust myself to stamp straight? Shall we try it? Yeah, let's be rebellious. You could use a Stampin' Artist for this. Of course. You can. No one's saying you can't. Of course you can. But I'm going to try and do it freehand because I like to live dangerously. I'm going to give it a really good ink up. Get everything as straight as I can. And then just down and hope for the best. Yeah, that looks okay. Not too bad, if I do say so myself. Nearly put my fingers in the ink pad, that would have been clever. Just close it up. Put everything aside. Going to bring back my base, which is Night of Navy card base. That's a standard 86 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then just going to put some snail here. I'm going to touch this down. I'm just going to put it upside down. That would have been useful. Oh, it's always good to put things the right way up. And then I've got some here of these holiday rhinestones. And I'm just going to put some of these up here just to bring some extra bling. And I'm just going to use different sizes. Got that one, and then we've got this baby one that's already trying to make a bid for freedom. Okay, and I quite like using different sizes always of my rhinestones like that. So there you have the two cards. What do you think? Love them, hate them? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this project, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop, all that good stuff, it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes the link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, so do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye bye.